Hey, my name is Ben Selstrom. Thanks for stopping by. Today I want to talk about this headset right here. I work in the service industry. I ride in a service van all the time that is super noisy. And this headset, I'm hoping, will do a pretty good job of helping me survive that while taking phone calls and things like that. So I just so happen to have two of these, so we'll kind of go ahead and unbox this real fast. This is the MPOW Bluetooth headset, or trucker headset they have it titled as. So link in the description to check it out, and we'll go ahead and open this up. I don't know if this qualifies as frustration-free packaging or what, but it doesn't come in bubble wrap, which is kind of nice at least. And there's the headset. Not much to it really. There it is. Comes with a micro USB cable for charging, but no wall charger or anything is included, so you have to provide your own wall wart. And in the instructions it says to charge it fully before using, which I have done with the one that I'm currently wearing, but I'll show you how the charging indicator comes on. Right here on this side of the headphones, or whatever you want to call it, Bluetooth headset, there's a little door, and we plug this in right here, just like so. And there's a little red light comes on. Oh, there we go. Right there. And when it's finished charging, that light will go out. Alright, so to turn this thing on, you press the multifunction button for 4 seconds until it comes on. And keep holding it until it keeps flashing alternate blue and red. And now we should be ready to pair. So we're going to search for devices here, and right there at the bottom, MPOW comes up, and it is pairing with it. If it requires a code, if your phone requires a code, the code is 0000. Now if you're going to connect this to an additional device, because it can be connected to two at once, you would simply turn the Bluetooth off on this and then repeat the pairing process. Turn it back off, turn it back on again, and you should be paired. So we are good to go here. I'm just going to do a quick test. Hey, how's it going? So I'm talking to my brother now, and he seems to be able to hear me. Can you hear me? I sound different than normal? Hold on. How about now? Sounds muffled? Oh no. Well, anyway, for what it's worth, it sounds like it's coming through a lower grade headset. Okay, well, I guess this probably is technically a lower grade headset that I'm talking to you on, so that would make sense. Okay, well, I'm going to call you right back. All right. So that was Ruben. Anyway, so that's how you pair it and stuff. The noise canceling feature is supposed to work pretty effectively on this. This headset has generally good reviews, so we'll see how that actually goes. But that's just a little bit of a tutorial of the MPOW headset. Link in the description to this exact one if you're interested. I'm hoping it'll work good for people that are in the service industry like I am, and or in noisy environments in general. We'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.